This video is going to walk us through how to add plants to our library. So to get started, we want to go over to the Plants tab, click on that, and this will open up with 0 plants showing when we were starting out. Once we've added plants to our library, this is where they'll be displayed for us to manipulate that information however we so choose for our climate or adding in cross cells, etc. So to get started, what you want to do is one of two things. You can click on the green Create tab button here, and this will open up a blank template that will allow you to add information on a specific plant, including photos. Once you're done, you click the Save button. But for today's example, we're going to go into the Import Global database. And this is where all the plants are displayed. This information will be updated annually for the brands and the variety of products that are in here. And so you can manipulate this information in here to best suit you with how you want to go about adding plants to your library. And so for today's example, what we're going to do is manipulate the data a little bit up here in the top right by displaying the columns. And we're going to remove height and width because it's not necessary. We're going to add scientific name or Latin name, and I think that's it. So for today, we're going to walk through and add some plants from our friends at Proven Winners. So we're going to go down to Proven Winners, and this is going to show all the plants currently available in the library. So you can start adding plants a number of ways. One is just by clicking on the plus button, which will turn it into a check. And that means that plant is now added into your library. So you can go through the plants that way. You can type in the name, salvia, and it'll show you all the salvias available through Proven Winners. So it'll narrow down your selection that way, and then you can select some more. Or what you can also do is manipulate the information by category. So let's look at all the shrubs for Proven Winners. There's 272. If I carry all of the shrubs, I can click the Bulk Import Plants button, and it will now import all 272 of those shrubs into my library. Anytime that you add a plant, so we'll just click this rhododendron, it's going to give you a confirmation down here in the bottom right that it's now added to your library. So once you've done that with your plants, you can go back to your Plants tab, and now these are the plants that are currently showing in your library for your customers to look at.